Hi everyone, it's Rosemary Maris from Maris Art. Remember a little while ago I was showing you how I was making these from Stamperia paper, and there's a tutorial on how I made them and how I decorated the pages. From the one paper pad I ended up with four single signature journals. This one is actually mine and I've started writing in it. So just show you a quick little look at that. Right. So these three, two of them are for gifts for people, and one of them is for you. So it's a subscriber, oh, that's hard to say, subscriber giveaway, because I'm on about 800 subscribers, which is quite absolutely stunningly amazing. So the one that I thought, these two are the gifts, and the one that I thought I would give to you if you leave a comment down there, and then I'll choose somebody and let you know how to get in touch with me for this. As I say, it's a single signature. This looks like a card that comes off, but it's actually stuck, and that's the back of it. This is part of the Stamperia paper. Comes with they all come with this little tie, which you can obviously undo, but I'm just sliding it off. So I'll give you a peep inside of what you could get. So inside the first pocket, there's a beautiful little raised flower in a frame, and this lovely lady, and that beautiful stamp there. And then these are from the paper, so they're little, that one's just a little card because I thought it was rather sweet with the corset on it, but these ones I've made into journaling cards with a little bit of lace on the top that matches the lace that goes around the front. Then each page has got a stamp on it. It's a nice cream colour, so you can write on it. So it's got these different ladies' heads on it, feminine corners. This is a tracing paper with the stamps on it. Isn't she lovely? And some more writing. So there's plenty of places in here to journal. This is a little bookmark that's magnetic, so it can mark your page. I showed you how to do that. So if you want to know how it's done, just go to click on my image there at the side or underneath this, and go to my channel, and then scroll down. You can see all the different ones I did of this. So these are little journaling cards as well, and then it's got, this is cut out from I don't know whether you call it a doily, and then it's got that bling in the middle of it, and then I've stamped around it to frame it. And then on here, Stamperia paper's got a lot of lace and images of pearls on it, so I just covered the pearls with 3D pearls. And this is the centre of the book. I always like to do it in cards so that it doesn't rip the paper. It's got lovely antique lace there. These were left over from a Jane journal that I did. That's one of the flowers from the paper with a metal thing on it. And then this is again cut from the paper, and that's got pearls on it. And again the antique lace. So this one here is a little circle cut from the paper with a smaller circle cut on the top, and then this little butterfly card sits in there. And I was going to glue it down, and then I thought this is too pretty to hide on the back of it, so I've just put on with a paper clip. Some more journaling pages, another one of the tracing paper. And then a belly band at the back with that gorgeous image with pearls on it again. And then an envelope that came with the paper. And inside it's got another one of those delicious little corsets. And a couple of journaling cards in there. So if you would like this in your sticky little fingers to write in, just comment down below, and from those comments, and subscribe, of course, because it's for subscribers. You have to be a subscriber, and then I'll pick somebody that I will let you know on another short video that has won it. Bye.